In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure and use ExpressVPN with OpenVPN. If you want to use ExpressVPN through a manual OpenVPN setup instead of the standard app, this is a practical way to do it. It's especially useful for custom environments like routers, Linux systems, or any setup where you want more direct control over the VPN connection. First, open your browser and sign in to your ExpressVPN account on the official website. If two-factor verification appears, complete that step to access the dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the area related to setting up other devices, then open the manual configuration section. In that section, make sure OpenVPN is selected. You'll now see a separate username and password created specifically for manual connections. These are not the same as your normal account login details, so keep this page open or save those credentials somewhere secure for the next steps. Next, stay on the same manual configuration page and scroll down until you find the OpenVPN configuration files. These files are organized by region. Open the appropriate continent, choose the location you want to connect through, and download the corresponding .ovpn file to your computer. This file contains the connection settings for that specific VPN server location, so make sure you pick the one you actually want to use. Now install an OpenVPN client for your system. If you're on Windows, go to the official OpenVPN community downloads page and install the version that matches your computer. If you're on a Mac, download and install TunnelBlick from its official website. Once the installation is complete, open the client so it's ready to accept your configuration file. After that, import the .ovpn file you downloaded earlier. On Windows, find the OpenVPN GUI icon in the system tray, right-click it, and choose the option to import a file. Then browse to your Downloads folder and open the .ovpn file. On Mac, launch TunnelBlick and drag the downloaded .ovpn file into the configurations area. When prompted, confirm whether the configuration should be available only to you or to all users on the device. With the profile imported, you're ready to connect. Open the imported ExpressVPN profile from your client and select Connect. When the login prompt appears, enter the manual OpenVPN username and password you copied earlier. If you want the connection to work more smoothly in the future, enable the option to save or remember the credentials, then confirm. Finally, verify that the connection is working correctly. Wait for the OpenVPN or TunnelBlick icon to show a connected status. Then open a private browser window and visit ExpressVPN's